Yes. Yes. Find the square root of 6400.
So by which method?
Any method.
Okay, sir. तो अभी बताएं वो लगाओ.
Find the square root of
कोई
find the length of side of a square whose side is 441 meter square. Whose side is 441 meter square.
So we have to find the square root of
Find the smallest square.
6400 by which method?
Any method?
Okay, sir.
सर लेंथ ऑफ के बाद क्या लिखा है सर लेंथ
Smallest square. Find the smallest square that is divided by
सर थर्ड क्वेश्चन में भूज के बाद क्या लिखा है?
whose side is 441 meter
तो वो
square.
एरिया होना चाहिए.
Okay.
सर थर्ड क्वेश्चन में लेंथ ऑफ के बाद क्या लिखा है
Okay.
सर लेंथ ऑफ के बाद क्या लिखा है
किसमें?
सर थर्ड क्वेश्चन
Length of side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Find the smallest square number that is divided by 4, 9 and 10. Yes, there are two methods to find out the square root of 6400. First is prime factorization method. Okay.
सर फिर भी समान.
To 3200. Yes. To 1600. To 800. To 400. To 200. And to 100. And to 50. Next.
50. 25.
50 is 225. Next is 5. 5 is a
5.
and 5 is a.
1.
Okay. Now 6400.
Sir, answer is 8.
First. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
80.
पेयरिंग करिए इसकी। 2 यहाँ पे भी 2, नेक्स्ट 2, फिर 2 एंड ये 5। ओके 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 5 जा 80। This is the method to find the square root of 6400 by using prime factorization method. It is your prime factorization method. Okay, great. Are you done?
Yes.
Now next method is your long division method. Long division method. Naveen. आपने इसको नोट करना है क्या? नोट करना है किसी को?
No, sir.
Yes. Now 6400 by long division method. Pairing from the last digits.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 8.
2 2 are 4, 3 3 are 9, 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25,
Sir, 8 8 are 64.
6 6 are 36, 7 7 are
49.
8 8 are 64.
64. That's a 8.
Okay. 8 2 are 16. Complete pairing यहाँ पे आएगी. अभी डिवाइड नहीं हुआ, डबल जीरो in not division by 16. So there will be 0. So square root of 6400 is
80.
80.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Straight fast.
Sir,
8 into 8.
वहाँ पे सर आपने प्लस का साइन
यहाँ पे 8 8 या 64 होता है.
सर ये इंटू की जगह प्लस का साइन होगा वो बता दीजिए।
वहाँ पे क्या हमने 8 8 या 64 यहाँ पे किया है. यहाँ पे तो 8 प्लस 8 16 किया है. उससे मतलब नहीं. ओके.
sir, sir. Sir, 7,921. The 7,921.
7000
921.
Sir, 80. Sir, answer.
वैल्यू यही है ना?
Yes,
Yes. We have to find out the square root of this. Now 8 8 is 64,
यस सर
9 9 is
81
अधिक हो गया.
यस सर
8 8 is 64 होगा. पेयरिंग यहाँ से. ओके. 8 8 is
64.
9 minus 4 5.
Friend.
8 2 is 16.
Yes, sir.
16 9 is 144. Okay, 9 9 9 is
81
Sir, sir.
okay. 9 9 is 81. 8 carry. 16 9 is 100. 44 and 144 9 9 is 81, carry 8. 16 9 is 144 and 8 150. So this is right.
Yes.
Square root of 89. Any doubt, any problems?
No,
नो
sir.
सर
Great.
No, sir.
Great. Next is
सर फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ
Side
साइड
on.
स्क्वायर विद एरिया इज
8 by
1 मीटर स्क्वायर
Sir, what is 1921?
1921. 7 है क्या ये?
सर यहाँ पे
ओहो
आता है
सॉरी 7 है यहाँ 7
791
ओके ठीक है
Yes.
do it
Done.
okay next is
Side is length of side of a square whose area is
yes area of square is
440.
यहाँ पे square है it is square and area of square is 441 meter square. ABCD is a square. It is your A. It is your A. It is also A. It is also A. Let length of side of square is A. Let length of side of A square is A. Let length of side of square is A. Yes. Area of square is
Side square. The side into side is equal to
area
side square.
of square is side square. Side is your A.
Yes, sir.
A square it means A square. Okay.
E square is
And
equal to
area of
441.
square given is
441.
area of square
441 meters square.
given. That is 441.
meters square.
This is also the square of area of square. It is also the area of square. So A square is equal to 441. Okay. Now A square is equal to 441. So A is equal to
441 under root 141.
and as you know that the square root of 441 is 21 meter.
Meter.
Okay. So side of square is 21 meter. Any doubt, any problem? Okay. Now next is
Sir, find the smallest square number that is divisible by 4, 9 and 10.
4, 9 and 10. Hey, find the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Yes. First of all, we'll find out the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. LCM of 4, 9 and 10. LCM of 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. 2 2s are 4.
Yes, sir.
2 9s are 2 5s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 9 5 3 LCM of 4 9 and 10.
Sir, what?
180. 180.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 180. Prime factorization of 180. Here. Prime factor of 180. How much? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. After making pair, 3 is left unpaired. Now 5 is left unpaired. So 180 is not a perfect square. To make it perfect square number, we will multiply it by 5. 5. So required perfect square number. Required perfect square number. Required smallest perfect square number. Smallest perfect square number. Perfect square number that is divisible by 4, 9 and 10 is 180 into 5. 900. 180 into 5, 900. Okay, do it fast.
Yes.
Do it fast. करिए. Find the cube root of cube and cube root. Find the cube root of one lakh 10,592. First part, second part is
Sir, Google Pay.
क्या होगा?
Sir, paint. Sir, paint.
Okay, find the cube root of 1,10,592. Yes. 17,56,000. 1,75,000. 1,75,616. 1,75,616.